Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So in order to fix the WhatsApp voice message problem, then you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you want to open the WhatsApp application. Now here, if you open up the WhatsApp application and if you press on this microphone icon, you could then go ahead and send a voice message. But if you're unable to do it so, then one of the reasons might be that you've not enabled the permission for it. To enable the permission, you want to exit out, long press the WhatsApp app, go to the app info icon, and then go to the permission section. Here, when you go to the permission, make sure that the microphone is toggled on, and once you've enabled this option, then you'll be able to easily send a voice message and the issue will be solved. However, despite that, the issue still persists on, and it could be due to the outdated version as well. So you could check for an update, go to the Play Store or an App Store, and on the search bar type in WhatsApp. And when you locate WhatsApp, you could just simply go ahead and click on the update button. That might be able to fix. If that's not the case as well, you could also check for a clear cache as well as data. So to do this, you have to do the same thing, that is click on long or just long press on the WhatsApp app and go to the app info icon or the I button. And when you go to the app info icon, here you have this storage and cache. You could then go ahead and click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Just make sure that if you are sure about it, only then. And now then you could try restarting your device at the same time, and that's gonna definitely help you out to fix. So these are a couple things you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.